And with Joseph now, who's been keeping close track of some rain totals out there. It's kind of been a wet one here early today.
Yeah, a lot of locations over 1/4 of an inch from that rain through the overnight into today. And now we're dealing with some patchy fog through parts of Willamette Valley into areas of southwest Washington at this time. It's about 5:45. You can see how the visibility is maybe taking a bit of a hit to the north, although not too bad coming out of our Kalama camera right there behind me. But just know that if you're going to be out late tonight, early tomorrow morning, you may be dealing with some visibility problems if you're going to be doing some driving. Okay, more rain and mountain snow is on the way. If you're looking forward to this right here, we should have a good amount as we go through the week. And high surf and coastal flooding is going to continue to be an issue to start off the week. We'll see if that lasts on and off as we go through the week, but definitely for your Monday. See the weather beacon there behind me. It's steady green. Oh, well, I'll take it back. It's blinking. And that means that there's a little bit of rain on the way, but it's probably not going to be a major issue as we go into our Monday. Maybe tonight we'll have a few scattered showers. 41 degrees, the wind southeast 6 miles per hour, sunset at 4:27. So we are well beyond that. And I posted a couple photos of that sunset coming out of the Oregon coast where they actually had a break in the clouds. Beautiful shot. If you have any photos, go ahead, find me and send them on over. 42 degrees was the high today in Portland, but Salem and Eugene in the 50s, much warmer to the south there. We just stayed a bit cooler. We had that east wind, and that was ushering in some colder air from the gorge. 50s there for the coast, 46 normal high. We were pretty close to that. Above average, though, down to the south. Baker City today, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. You topped off at 32 degrees. Slightly cooler there for you folks on the east side of the state. All right, here's the system, at least what's remaining of it, and it's continuing to kind of march off towards the east. Notice that we do have kind of some drier conditions right to the west. This is just going to be a brief moment, really just a flash of high pressure for our Monday. That's going to help dry us out just a little bit. For now, though, we're still kind of holding on to a couple rain showers, as I mentioned. Some very light rain off towards the east there, areas of Gresham, Malala possibly, and over towards Sandy. Those areas right there in the Cascade foothills will continue to see a little bit of rain. Beaver Creek over towards Oregon City. 205, you may have some light rain showers there for some of those neighborhoods. And the road may be a bit damp as well. So just be careful if you're going to be doing some driving tonight. All right, those rain totals Wayne was mentioning. We had over a half an inch coming out of Astoria. As I mentioned, a lot of locations over 1/4 of an inch. Salem 4/10 of an inch. Eugene about a half of an inch. Areas of the gorge a little bit lower, and even Madras coming in with some measurable precipitation today. Another batch of moisture is on the way. As I mentioned, though, it's going to happen after Monday. So we do have a moment where we pause, frame from any sort of rain for a little bit, and then we have another ribbon that arrives on Wednesday. You can see this in the Futurecast. Now, early tomorrow morning, I'm expecting some fog, some clouds. There still may be a lingering, isolated shower, although it's not going to be very wet. We continue to dry out through the day. Probably a sun break here or there, and then the clouds return, and we'll have more rain on Tuesday. Tuesday, that rain will continue through the Cascades and into the gorge, and at that time, we'll also see some mountain snow as well. All right, 7-day forecast. Take a look. 49, really the upper 40s to about 50 degrees. We can get pretty close to that as we go through the week. The wettest day is probably going to be on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then into the weekend.